case of my life. Sent $2 million. Leave it in a bag by the Sea of Tranquility. I don't know, the North Shore. What the... Oh, it would have worked, wouldn't it? But they went to the moon and they brought back rock. They brought back rock. The trouble is, we've got rock. That was the one thing we didn't need, wasn't it? Rock, Neil. I don't know whether you looked at the planet before you took off, but it's made of fucking rock. But it's moon rock. Oh, fucking hell, this is Earth rock, Neil. Come on. Gee, look at Earth rock. It's got special minerals. Fucking Earth. It's rock, isn't it? Have you heard? On the stock market, Neil, rock's gone up 3 points. No, it hasn't, has it? Because it's fucking rock. Jesus, we wanted diamonds or sherbet or a squirrel with a gun.